Life sentence may not be the end for a convicted killer.
A jury found Tavares Jones guilty on all counts, including capital murder. He was the triggerman in the violent home invasion that left Willie Sullivan Sr. and his 13-year-old grandson dead in 2011.
Local 15's Derek Rose was there as the verdict came down today. Derek, Jones's mental state will be key to his appeal.
Greg, that's the heads up his defense attorneys gave us this afternoon. A guilty verdict in this case meant an automatic life sentence without parole. But because Tavares Jones has been declared mentally handicapped, his defense attorneys argue that life sentence amounts to cruel and unusual punishment.
He was mentally retarded, and we believe that greatly affected the events of that evening in this case.
Defense attorneys for Tavares Jones hope it will affect the judge's sentence, at least on appeal. As state law stands now, a person declared mentally handicapped cannot be put to death, but can be given a life sentence. And as the judge delivered that decision, the only visible emotion came from the defendant's family.
We're obviously disappointed. As I said in the opening statements, there are no winners in this case.
Especially when a grandfather and his 13-year-old grandson are the victims. Co-defendant Timothy Taylor admitted his own role in the case, but told jurors from the stand Tavares Jones pulled the trigger on that rifle, and they agreed. What the jury did not buy was the defense notion the victim's home was the center of drug activity.
And it was overwhelmingly clear through the evidence at this trial that they had nothing to do with drugs, that they were a good, hardworking family who was well respected in the Theodore community. These two victims were senselessly and needlessly gunned down in their home.
Wednesday's news bittersweet for the Sullivan family. It's been a long 3 days, one relative noted, as the future holds yet 3 more trials.
It's not over for the family because there are 3 co-defendants in this case, and so there will be many more court proceedings to come in the future. So this is just one part of the process for them.
District Attorney Ashley Risch says she has not decided which of the 3 remaining co-defendants will stand trial first come January, but she did say all 3 will face the death penalty. Live downtown, I'm Derek Rose, Local 15 News.